Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Rumble, and we're going to be finding out how you can make money on Rumble. And also, we're going to be doing a full Rumble review. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end, and we'll be able to find out whether it is going to be worth your time and effort to actually earn on Rumble. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come onto rumble.com. Okay, now Rumble is a fairly new site that's been around for a little while, and all you have to do is basically upload videos. Okay, so it's very similar in that sense to YouTube. Obviously, not as massive as YouTube, but we're going to be going into the back end of Rumble. We're going to show you how it works, how it's simple, but at the same time you have to be aware about certain licenses, etc., for the videos. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this, so you can actually get all the information you need before you actually go and join Rumble. So the first thing you would want to do, obviously, is just sign up. So it's free to actually sign up for Rumble, and then you just get an email through after you've put in a few details just to verify your account, and then you will get taken across to your account. So let's dive straight into my account and have a look deeper into Rumble. We've actually come into my account here, and as you can see, we're on the top videos here. And this obviously there are various different videos down the side here. What you've got up here as well is all the different things here. So you've got your feed and trending license, trending and license videos, etc. And we're going to go into the license videos very shortly. So stay tuned for that, because you're really going to want to know that, especially if you're joining Rumble. As you can see, once you've got an account, all you've got to do is literally come to the plus sign here and upload or do a live stream video. So you can either go live straight away, which you can do obviously with YouTube, or you can upload a video. So most people, I would have thought, are going to upload videos. So if we come into here, like I say, it says select a file. Once you've uploaded your file, you can then obviously put in a video title as you would normally, video description, and then you can obviously add thumbnails as well. Okay, so just for the purpose of this video, I've downloaded a very short video from one of the video and stock image sites, and we're going to click that and open it up in this file. Obviously it's only a few seconds long, so it shouldn't take long. There we go. So obviously then, like I say, you would add in a video title, so we can just put test here, and then we're going to video description, so we can just put something in there so that it obviously will add, and we can obviously choose a video thumbnail, so we can put that through, and we can obviously add tags here, which says it's optional, which again for YouTube, tags is again optional, but it's really important to put tags in if you're going to get stuff found. So I would certainly, if you're going to use Rumble, I'll put in some tags here, and then you can schedule the video. Okay, and then you can just click on the upload button. So if we click on the upload, this is what I wanted to get through to. This is all about your licensing options. Okay. Now this is very important, because this will determine whether you relinquish some of your rights to the video. Now if you scroll over it, obviously it says you are selecting Rumble to be exclusive worldwide perpetual agent for such content. You will receive all net earnings less an agency fee equal to 40% collected in relation to your content. So in other words, they will take 40% of the actual earnings from your video. Now this works across any of the licenses, guys. They're going to take 40% of the agency fee right the way across, except for obviously the personal use. But as it says here, personal use is not monetized and not searchable, available to all your subscribers though. So you would obviously, in order to get paid, you would want to obviously choose one of these video management sources. But like I say, they're going to take 40%. Now it says obviously here, read the full terms here. Well, you can't actually do that because it won't allow you to. Because as soon as you go off of that button, it obviously hides the link. So I'm not quite sure how you're meant to do that. I've tried holding the control bar holding the, well, it just doesn't work. So somehow you've got to try and get into the FAQs and try and find out a bit more about that. Okay, so we've come on to the terms of service, and let's just scroll down. And there's just something I want to draw your attention to, just so you know, obviously, about it. And here it is here. Okay, so you've got to be careful that anything added to the Rumble site could be deemed to be their intellectual property, so you could lose the rights to it. So if you uploaded a video that you've also got on YouTube to Rumble, they could then say, well, now it's on Rumble, it's our intellectual property. So they could then put a copyright claim against your video on YouTube, which could mean that they would then obviously get all the income from that video on YouTube, and it would go to them rather than you. So be very, very careful what you do before to check all these out before you actually go and use Rumble. So let's go and find out exactly how much can you actually earn by uploading videos to Rumble. So I came across to the licensed videos here, and as you can see here, this one's had 132 views. It's earned 12 cents. Okay, that's 10 cents, 26 views, 456 views, 46 cents. So not a vast amount, but remember obviously that Rumble are going to be taking quite a bit of the revenue, 40%. This one $6.99 for 2,000 views. This one $3 for 3,000 views. Now obviously with YouTube, in my experience, that you could earn much more than this per 1,000 views. And I know even it will depend on what niche you are in, and what country you're from, and what country your viewers are from, all that sort of thing. But certainly it does look for these amounts that they are fairly small. But like I say, that's possibly because Rumble are taking 40% of the actual earnings anyway. But let's, for argument's sake, this one's not too bad. $6.99 for 2,000. But again, you could earn on YouTube, you could be earning that per 1,000 views, which obviously they may well be near enough earning that. But like I say, Rumble are taking a lot of the earnings. Can you actually earn money with Rumble? Yes, you can. You can obviously create your videos, you can upload them, and you could obviously start earning money with Rumble. But certainly go through the T's and C's and the terms of service, etc., with a fine-tooth comb before you actually upload any videos. And just be careful, like I say, that you haven't got the same video on YouTube, because the copyright thing could come into action there. I'm going to stick personally to YouTube and carry on doing YouTube videos and uploading them to there. And for the time being, I certainly won't be uploading any videos to Rumble. But of course, you can make your own decision on this, because you might have different videos and you might not have a YouTube channel. So you might think, okay, I'll add some videos here and earn some extra cash. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.